Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about layouts, and layouts can be very useful in Sketch, and in order to show the layout you can go on the top right view button, just click on it, and you're going to see this show layout option, which you can click. At this point it's going to display the layout in the artboard. So this can be very useful, especially for web projects, but that's not the only case where we actually need the layouts. And in order to tweak the layout, you can go again on the view panel, and at the very bottom you're going to have this option which is layout settings, which you can click, and this will allow you to make different settings in your current layout. So first of all, we're having the total width, so you can actually change the width of the layout, and you can also consider changing the offset, or you can even center it quickly with just by clicking this button. And as you can see now, the layout is centered. And you can also choose the number of columns. So if you like less columns, you can do that here, and you can check or uncheck the gutter on outside option. Then you also have the width of the gutter options and the width of the columns. So you can manually tweak these options too. And in case you want rows, you can simply click on the rows checkbox, and rows will appear too. And you have also some settings for those too. And one of the most important options that, or at least one of the ones that I use most often, is switching between the stroke outline to the fill grid. So in some occasions you want the stroke outline, in other ones you prefer to have the fill grid, but that can definitely help you out. And for both, you can simply set the colors by clicking on these options over here, and you can easily change that. And yeah, so it's quite flexible, and these grids can be very useful. I use them quite often myself, and yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll get back to you.